Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Zahira Rizka Anjani and I'm a student of English Literature Department in Pamulang University. Today I'm going to be talking about conversion. I have divided my presentation into three main parts. First of all, I will give an explanation about definition of conversion. And the next one, I will give you the word clause changes in conversion, and the last but not least, the conclusion. Now we're moving on to the first topic, definition of conversion. Based on the study of language book by Yule, conversion is a change in the function of a word. For example, when nouns comes to be used as verb without any reduction. Conversion is also commonly referred to as category change or functional shift process. In other words, conversion occurs when the same word is used in different contexts with a change in the meaning of grammatical role. Now I will tell you the word clause changes in conversion. First, we got nouns to verb here. For the example, access become to access. Access in noun refers to a method of getting near to a place or person. When it changes to a verb, it becomes to access, or the meaning is to be able to get to. Example in sentence, I need to access the database to retrieve the information. To access in here, use verb. The next one, we got email, electronic mail, and when it becomes to email of a verb, it becomes sending electronic mail. So the example in a word is please remember to email the report to your supervisor. And the next example, we got the word gift. Gift as a noun refers to a present, and when it becomes to a verb, it's have a different meaning. It is to give a gift. So, example in sentence, she decided to give her sister a beautiful necklace. The next one, we got verbs to noun. For the first example, we have word run here as a verb, or its meaning a move, and it's become a run, or the period during which a situation. For the example in a sentence, after my morning run, I felt energized for the day. And the next example, paint. Paint as a verb is paint, painting, and then when it becomes to a noun, it becomes paint, a colored liquid. And the example for the sentence is, the artist displayed her latest paint at the gallery. Now we get adjective to a noun. For the first example, we have the word old, which means not young. It has become a noun, the old people. For the example in sentence, the old man sat on the park bench reminiscing about his youth. The old man here use nouns. And then the second one is blind. Blind as a unable to see becomes a noun. The people who are blind. And for the example in a sentence, the blind rely on their other senses to navigate the words around them. The last one, we got partial verb to nouns. So the word to print out, it's have meaning to produce a copy of a computer document from a printer. And then when it becomes to a noun, it have different meaning. A page or a set of page of printed material. So the example in a sentence is, could you please provide me with a printout of this document? And then the second one is to take over. To take over is take something over when it's partial verb. And then when it becomes to a noun, a takeover it's become a situation. For example, the company announced a takeover of its competitor, aiming to expand its market share. Now we're moving on to the end of the presentation, and I will give you a conclusion. In morphology, conversion is the process of changing a word form or grammatical category without any morphological changes or the addition of affixes. This means that the same word can be used in different contexts with changes in its meaning. So conversion often occur between different word classes such as noun to verb, verb to noun, adjective to noun, or even partial verb to noun that we discussed before. So, do you get any idea now? Thank you so much for watching.